Hi, this is Ellen DeLapp, certified professional organizer and owner of professionalorganizer.com. So many times from my clients, I'm hearing, I need a system for that. So I wanted to share some ideas on setting up some ADHD friendly systems at your home and at work. So, just to define what a system is to start with, that's a set of principles or procedures according to which something is done. So already you have many systems that are working around you. That might be the system for getting laundry completed. Does it go in a basket? Where is the basket placed? The basket goes to the laundry room. It's washed, it's dried, it's folded, it goes back. It might be how meals are prepared and organized at your home. What's the day that you do grocery shopping? How do you make a grocery list? What meals will you be preparing? It might be, how do you get repairs done at your home? Do you have a handyman? Is someone at your home responsible for the repairs? How does that get delegated? Or it might be, what's my system for paying bills? Do I do this online? What do I need to be able to pay those bills? When I find the passwords for where do I find them? So there's all sorts of systems that are already operating in your house that you can capitalize on. And what you want to think about is, why does that system work for you? What is the process that you're using, and how can we simplify the process to get it complete? Now, you might think this seems a lot like a routine, but the difference between a system and a routine is that the system is the process or the place something gets done, and the routine is the consistent practice of that system. So start by identifying which systems are already working at home or at work, or create a system that empowers you to get this project or process done. So, a few extra little steps might be needed. Identify and simplify your process, because sometimes our process has extra steps that we don't need. You want to evaluate and analyze. How does that process feel? Was it easy to accomplish? Did it get done on time? You want to keep practicing and executing the system to get more data. And finally, create a routine that empowers that system to be in place. This is Certified Professional Organizer Ellen DeLapp, owner of professionalorganizer.com.